In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a document from Grammarly. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now we have here an article that has been written, and I'd like to go ahead and download this article. Once you have proofreading your article and you have made sure it is okay from Grammarly, it's time to go ahead and use it elsewhere. So one of the ways you can get this article is just highlighting it and then copying it. Alternatively, if you want to download it, we have these functions here. If you go to menu here and click on it, it will go ahead and expose a lot of options that you can use. And one of the options is download. So you can download this as a document, and to do so, just go ahead and click on download, and this will go ahead and download your document straight to your computer. And now you can see I have here a document that has been downloaded straight from Grammarly. So that's how you can download any document or your article from Grammarly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.